Hello guys, today we will see how we can add such a progress bar for blog posts and pages in WordPress website. If you can't code, you should definitely use a plugin. But if you use too many plugins in WordPress, then your WordPress site becomes slow. So today we will introduce a new plugin that will allow us to do multiple tasks. So let's start the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins. Click on the Add New button. Search here Top Table of Contents. Now you are thinking, why am I installing Table of Contents to add progress bar? I am using the Table of Contents plugin because this plugin includes multiple features like progress bar for blog posts and pages, table of contents, floating navigation, etc. Using the Table of Contents plugin, we can easily create such a table of contents besides a progress bar without any coding. We don't have to use any separate plugin for the Table of Contents. There are several other great features like this. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it, link in the description, check it out. Then install and activate the plugin. Check the company name BoomDevs to confirm the plugin. After activating, install Pro add-ons. By the way, this is Table of Contents Pro. The plugin has a free version, but the free version doesn't have that many features. Don't bother listening to the Pro plugin. Watch the video till the end, there is a big surprise for you. Enter your activation key here and activate Pro mode. Now we will see how we can customize the plugin. To do this, we need to go to Customize from WordPress. Find the top Table of Contents option and click here. Here is the All Customizer option. In this video, we will only talk about the progress bar. We have a separate video about all the other features. I have given the link in the description. Now go to progress bar. The first option is on or off. You can keep the progress bar off if you want, you can keep it on if you want. The next option is progress bar positions. Here you can change the position of your progress bar to top or bottom. Then icon background color. You can set here any color of your choice. You can also set here bar thickness. And finally, you can set the top right border radius and bottom right border radius, which will make your progress bar more beautiful. There are huge discounts for those of you who want to buy the plugin after watching the video. Check the description and collect up to 40% discount coupons. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it, link in the description, check it out. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.